I have the honor of kicking off our heavyweight shock EFSP barge commissioning ceremony.
I couldn't be more proud of our team, our location, and what we do.
We have the final product of a 2-year journey, but what you cannot see is the time and effort that was put in by the team to make it happen.
They take these ships to sea. They don't want to break very expensive critical equipment. We're doing the testing in advance to ensure that equipment will not fail during shock trials or, more importantly, when ships are in harm's way. This EFSP is a critical asset necessary to improve that supply chain for building Navy ships. Everything that's critical has to be tested before it goes into the fleet. In addition to improving supply chain, the testing conducted on the EFSP improves safety for all of our sailors deployed at sea.
Element U.S. Space and Defense has a long, proud history of supporting not only the Navy, but our space programs and our defense programs up and down the Department of Defense. This barge signifies our commitment to the future and our strategic investment, not only in the site, but in our support of our partners in the U.S. government. We operate under a national security agreement with the government. Regardless of our business aspirations and what's good for the company financially, this site and these assets must always remain viable and operational. We're a small site with a resilient workforce and a really important mission.